Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover revenue streams with QuickBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log into your company file. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your financial health. Go to the Reports section located in the left-hand menu. In the Reports section, search for the Profit and Loss Report. Select the time frame for the report that corresponds to your revenue recovery period. Generate the report to identify income trends. Next, review the Sales by Customer report for insights on your best-performing clients. Analyze any outstanding invoices in the Accounts Receivable section. Consider sending reminders to clients with overdue payments to encourage prompt action. Adjust your billing process by making it easier for clients to pay. Review your service or product offerings and assess their profitability. Identify any unprofitable products and consider discontinuing them. Engage with your sales team to gather feedback on market conditions. Implement strategies to upsell or cross-sell to existing customers. Utilize QuickBooks forecasting tool to project future revenue flows. Use customer feedback and market analysis to refine your offerings. Investigate opportunities for subscription or recurring revenue models. Create promotions or discounts to encourage faster sales. Monitor expenses closely to maximize your net revenue. Schedule regular reviews of financial data to track your progress. Make adjustments to your business strategy based on these insights. Remember, consistent communication with your team can help keep everyone aligned on revenue goals. Leverage QuickBooks integrations for enhanced reporting and automation. Stay updated with QuickBooks releases for the latest features that can aid in revenue recovery. Review your findings regularly and adapt your approach as necessary for sustained growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.